Hey guys, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have a super quick and easy hairstyling video for you guys. I'm going to show you guys how I've been styling my hair lately with this length. I guess you would consider this pixie hair length, right? A pixie cut length. So I'm going to show you guys how I've been styling my hair. It's super easy and I hope you guys give it a try. So if you're interested in seeing how I've been styling my hair, then just keep on watching. But of course, before we jump into the video, if you are new to my channel, hi, my name is JaaackJack. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the little bell so that way you are notified of future videos and you officially become part of the Little Flower family. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into the video. So this is what my hair looks like, just freshly washed and air dried out of the shower. It's not terrible, but it's not the best, that's for sure. So I'm going to show you guys what I've been doing to style my hair that's just super quick and easy, and it gives it somewhat of like a feminine touch in my opinion. So I'm going to take a little bit of molding clay and go ahead and rub that between my fingers like this. And you really don't have to worry about putting this all over your hair. I just like to focus on the front. And so what I do is, so this is like kind of the general area. It's not a perfect part, but like this is where I normally like to part my hair. So I'll start from here and then just start twisting my hair back. Like just kind of following the edge of my face and just keep twisting and twisting, and then I'll do the same over here, just kind of twisting it together. I'm not like picking up hair in sections, I'm just literally twisting the bunch of hair here and then going down. So the bulk of the product is really just going right here around the edge of our face. And then whatever's left over on my hands, I'll just kind of run it through my hair. And you can do this hairstyle one of two ways. I like them both. You can have your hair covering your ears like this, or you can push it back for a more like sleek put together look. So this would be great if you have like an office job or something like that. I feel like it's just a very put together version of your hair. But the way I've normally been styling it is just like kind of everywhere is fluffy, but just this part I'm twisting back. And if your hair is long enough, you can actually do a little bobby pin right here or a cute little clip, which I've done a few times. My hair's not quite there yet, but we're almost there. Soon I'll be able to bobby pin pieces and we can really style it in different ways. But I'm not even kidding, that is it. So we've just kind of twisted that back, added our little bobby pin or hair clip, whatever you prefer, left everything else just nice and fluffy, and voila! I've really been loving styling my hair this way. I feel like it's put together and it's like a cute feminine touch on a pixie haircut. The last styling video I did with like hair wax and all that kind of stuff, my hair was a lot shorter, or like a little bit shorter than what it is now. So I style it differently by putting like product all over my hair and like spiking some pieces up and this and that. I feel like this is just way easier. You don't have to worry about running product through all of your hair. It's really just you're focusing around the edge of your hair and letting the rest of your hair just kind of do whatever it naturally does. So that is going to be it for this really quick and easy pixie hairstyling video. I hope you guys enjoyed and found it helpful, and if you give this look a try, it's super easy, like super easy. But if you give this a try, whether you have long hair, short hair, buzz cut, whatever it is, well, buzz cut, might not be able to do a buzz cut, but pixie cut, if you try it out, make sure you send me pictures and let me know how it went for you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!